Hello, and my name is Jishnu, and welcome back to Stationery. So today we have got a new product, a stationery product actually. So this is the thing. So the name of the product is Camlin 3-in-1 mechanical pencil kit. So it comes, we can see here, it comes with a eraser and 3 pen pencils, and it also comes with 3 lead containers. So what are the nib sizes of the containers? So let's look at that. So one is 0.5 millimeter and other is 0.9 millimeter. So 0.9 millimeter is a rare kind of ink, rare kind of nib, lead. And so then the other nib size is 0.7 mm nib size. So this is the overall thing. So it also comes with a eraser. So this is the overall thing. Now let's look at the price of this thing. So the price of the thing is 59 rupees. So it's 50 rupees actually. 59 is equal. Actually it's 59. So that's thing. And now let's try to open this. So we're going to open this. So we have finally unboxed this thing. So this is the overall thing. So it comes with 3 pencils. Now let's look at the pencils. So these are the pencils. You can see over here, Camlin Grip Max 0.5 millimeter mechanical pencil. So the main highlight of this pencil is its grip. The grip is very nice actually. It's one of the few scripts that has this much grip on it. So the grip of this pen is pretty nice. And now let's click this pen. And so the nib is coming very finely. So the tip of this pen is made up of metal. So that's a good thing. The pen will, pen pencil will last a little bit longer. So that's a good thing. So other than that, now let's look at the next pen. So this is the next pen. So the nib size of this pen is 0.7. so the color is green. So overall it's pretty nice, good looking pen. So this is the special thing. So it comes with a 0.9 millimeter. So 0.9 millimeter is a rare thing to see, because most of the pen pencils in the market usually comes in 0.7 and 0.5 nib sizes. So because of that, 0.9 is a pretty rare nib size. So now let's write with this pen. Write with this pen pencil. So first we are trying to write with the 0.9 version of the pen pencil. So let's do this. So the pen pencil is dark and it's pretty good. The flow is also nice. So you can see that the darkness decreases when the nib size, lead size decreases. So that one thing. So the lead of this pen is pretty dark and it's nice. You can see over here, I am zooming in a little bit. You can see the nib is actually, everything is same. Yeah, that's what I would say. Overall, it's a pretty nice and good set of pens. Pen pencils. And I would give this pen pencil a rating of 7.5 out of 10. And would you have to buy it? Yes, of course, go for it, because it has a pretty nice grip and it has a pretty reasonable price also. So overall, it's a pretty good product. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe for more such stationery videos, and comment if you have any suggestions in stationery. So that's it.